Good morning. Thought I would show you guys how I milk my goats. This is Roxy. She is a La Mancha. She is a pretty good milker. You want to avoid the milk going back up into the udder because it can cause mastitis. It causes bacteria and whatnot to go up there. And you notice that I did wipe her teats really good before. Okay, so you want to get right as far as you can up and put your index finger together and your thumb. And you're going to come down one by one each finger. Just like that. It's a little different than milking a cow. Okay, so we are just about finished milking Roxy here. I'm not going to completely milk her out because if you've watched the previous video, she's got two black girls, Lucy and Annabelle. The two girls are 8 weeks old, and I still want them to get some milk. Now Roxy, she gets pretty grouchy in the morning for her grain. She is, like I said, pretty docile, but every one of my goats have their own personality. And poor little Roxy, she has a tendency not to get to where the feed is. And she bitches a lot. Which drives me crazy. So as you can see, Princess does not have any horns. She is a polled goat, born without horns. So, and another thing you can see is that little Miss Princess, she has a beard. Aren't you, Princess? Princess is actually a really good girl to milk. I mean, like I said, all my girls have their own personality. Come on, Princess. Good girl. You're a good girl, Princess. Yes. When we've had Wendy since she was a baby, but when we had gotten her, the previous owners did not get the complete horn off when they had dehorned her. Now, because of that, her horns have grown back and are right at the base of her skull. Another thing about my goats, the Nigerian dwarfs are very skittish. You know, they could freak out about any little thing. Miss Wendy here, she does have attitude. She's my attitude girl. She wants the grain, but she doesn't want to have to get milked or work for it. Oh no. Do you, Wendy? Come on, baby. Come on. Good girl. Now, baby is actually one of my best milkers here. She is a really good milker. I'm talking about you. So we are done doing the milking for this morning. And so here's what we got from our goats. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.